Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Flashquark Quark switches that were sent over to me by Flashquark themselves for my honest review. Now these switches start at 49 cents per switch and come in two different weight options, 62 gram, which is what I have here today, and 68 grams. Now this is a linear switch with a polycarbonate top housing, a nylon bottom housing, and a palm stem. The stem is also a long pole as well. There is a 3.5mm total travel distance, and this is a 22mm two-stage long spring. And of course, the operating force is 62 grams. Now these are factory lubed, so we're also going to be testing that. When it comes to the feel of the switch, it is quite smooth. That factory lube job is doing a pretty good job. I wouldn't say it's removing all of the spring ping or removing all of the scratchiness from the switch, but it does a decent enough job. Now the interesting thing about this switch is that it features a two-stage long spring. So usually long springs are slower and two-stage springs makes switches snappier. So what I noticed here is while the initial press does feel a little bit slower or maybe a little bit heavier, when it comes to coming back up, that double stage spring makes it feel a lot snappier. If this was a single stage long spring, I probably wouldn't like it as much, but it's not as snappy as a standard two-stage spring is because of the fact that it is a long spring. I know on the website it kind of says that it's a uniform feeling. In my opinion, the upstroke is a slight bit faster than the downstroke. Now I don't have an issue with that, but if that's something that you might not like, that's why I'm pointing it out. Other than that, here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how it sounds. When it comes to the sound profile, it does definitely lean towards the clackier side. I personally like it, and of course because of that long pole stem, you also get that fuller sound signature than you would get with a normal size stem. Overall, I think these switches do have something different to offer, but of course it all comes down to whether or not you like this sort of switch. I personally enjoyed my time using them. I like the way they sound and feel, and if you are interested in checking them out, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below. But let me know what you guys thought about the Flashquark Quark switches in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.